Ethan woke up as the morning sun came through the window. He was almost 20 years old, with brown hair and a slim build from working hard. But lately, Ethan felt tired and sad. He had finished school but could not find a job. Every time he applied, he was turned down. This made him feel useless, and he started to give up. His parents worried as he spent most of his time in bed or walking around the village, doing nothing. One day, Ethan found an old book in the attic. It was called The Power of Small Habits. Curious, he started reading. The book talked about how small actions done every day could lead to big changes. Ethan felt happy and decided to try it. He started by making his bed every morning. This small task made him feel good and ready for the day. Slowly, he added more small habits, like taking a short walk, reading a little each day, and helping his parents with chores. As the days passed, Ethan felt a change. He was no longer tired and sad. Instead, he felt strong and hopeful. He began to set goals for himself and worked hard to reach them. The people in his village noticed the change and started to respect him. Ethan continued to build his new habits, one small step at a time. Each day, he woke up and made his bed. Then, he took a short walk around the village. He also started reading a chapter from a book every day and helped his parents with chores. These small actions gave him a sense of achievement and purpose. As weeks passed, Ethan felt stronger and more confident. He set bigger goals, like learning new skills. He started with basic skills like cooking and fixing things around the house. Then, he moved on to more complex tasks like learning to manage money and understanding how businesses work. Each new skill made him feel more capable and ready for bigger challenges. Ethan's transformation didn't go unnoticed. The villagers saw how he had changed and were inspired by his dedication. Some of them started following his example, adopting small habits to improve their own lives. Ethan was happy to help them, sharing tips and encouraging them to never give up. One day, the village elder approached Ethan with a proposal. The village needed someone to organize a community market where people could sell their goods and help each other grow. The elder believed Ethan was the right person for the job because of his newfound skills and determination. Ethan accepted the challenge. He began by breaking down the big task into smaller steps, just like he had learned from the book. He gathered a group of villagers, and together they planned the market. They worked on finding a location, setting up stalls, and spreading the word to attract visitors. The community market was a huge success. People from nearby villages came to buy and sell goods, and the village thrived. Ethan realized he had found his purpose. He loved organizing events and helping his community grow. This new role gave him immense satisfaction and a sense of belonging. Ethan continued to set new goals for himself. He learned more about running businesses and decided to start his own. With the support of his family and community, he opened a small shop that sold local crafts and produce. His shop became popular, and soon he was able to hire other villagers, giving them jobs and helping them improve their lives too. Ethan's journey from a tired, hopeless young man to a successful businessman and community leader was built on the power of small habits. By never giving up and helping others, he found his purpose and made a big difference in his own life and the lives of those around him. The message of Ethan's story is clear. Small, consistent actions can lead to big changes. Never give up, help others, and you will find your purpose.